Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are going to do our Sephora VIB haul. Now there is one product missing because I ordered it a day later, which was stupid. I should have just ordered it with this one, but no, I didn't. And I was like, you know what? I need to get it before the time runs out. And I ended up ordering it. So there is one more product that I did not get. However, it is pretty much the same as one of these, so I'll show you. I didn't get a whole lot of makeup products because I have a lot, and plus all the boxes and stuff. So I just pretty much got a whole lot of skincare in this box. So here's what I got in there. Let's see if I can put this down without ruining anything. Okay, so I'm going to show you the samples I picked, which kind of stupid, but okay. So I got the Tatcha silk canvas, which I have a mini of this, but it's always nice to have a little bit more, but they really do only give you a tiny bit in there. And then I got the Way hair care treatment mask. I love this brand. You can't even really see it. Definitely excited to try this. I have never tried that, so that was kind of cool that that was in there. So as far as makeup, I will show you what I got for makeup because obviously this was more of a skincare box for me. So I'll just go ahead and show you. I did get the mini of the Precisely My Brow pencil, and I got it in 3. I've never tried this product, and Ulta is going to have it on their 21 days of Ulta. So I wanted to get this to see if the color was going to match and if I liked it, or if I just go back and get the Brow Wiz. So this was kind of a, let's see if I like it, or do I go back to the Brow Wiz? So there's that. And of course I had to get another Urban Decay setting spray, the all-nighter, because I go through that stuff like crazy. It is my favorite setting spray. I use it all the time. And it was a good idea to get a backup. And another reason that I did not get a bunch of makeup is because, as everybody knows, the Christmas palettes and all the holiday palettes are going to start coming out soon, and all the holiday makeup collections. So I didn't want to, you know, waste money on any of these collections that are out right now because they'll have another VIB sale, and you guys know, it's just, that's how it is. So I'm waiting. And so I dropped, okay, before I jump onto this next thing, I'm going to say, I'm going to tell you what I got as far as the other 2 products, and then I'll go into the next thing. So I did get the Drunk Elephant Rise and Glow, and this one has the C Firma Day Serum in it and the B Hydra Intensive Serum in it. Very cute. I love it so much. And these are, does it not tell you prices on here? It doesn't. That's stupid. Okay, so it doesn't tell you the price, but I think these are $25, and then the other one is $28. I did get the other mini, and that's the one that I went back and ordered. It is the Maruja oil, and what else? Oh, the night, the pink one. Dang, what's it called? The night serum. It's in a little pink bottle. So anyway, because I bought the littles, and I absolutely love these. So I wanted to get 2 more little samples of this before I try my next skincare, just in case, while it was on sale. So cute. I love it. This is definitely metal top. I can't tell. I think the whole thing's metal. You definitely can hear it. It's so super cute. Definitely smaller than I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. If I can get it open. It is the same size as my ones in the littles, and that is what they look like. So cute. I've been using this product probably about a month now. I do have a video that I filmed. I haven't put up yet, but I will be putting it up soon. You might see it before I put this one up. You might not. But anyway, these are fantastic. I love these. I don't want to bite the bullet because the C Firma Day one, I believe, is $80. Now, this one I could live without because it's just a moisturizer. And it's not the best moisturizer. I'd rather have their peptide cream. So that one I really don't care about. It was in this set, so obviously I got it. And then the Maruja oil, I really like that. So I'm happy about the other set. That should be here tomorrow. So these will last about a month. Now, the The vitamin C stuff I use every day, and the night cream I use every other day. So it's a good product. If you haven't tried it, this is definitely a way to give it a try and see if you like the Drunk Elephant product without biting the bullet on how much it is. It's crazy. Like, the pricings are crazy. It's very, very luxury. So that kind of brings me to the next items that I got. And the reason I got them is because I'm really getting into skincare, and I want to try this brand because I haven't tried it yet, and it is The Ordinary. I've heard so many good things about this. It's just that you have to know what order to use the stuff in and when to use it, what to mix it with and all that stuff, because it's basically, you know, I don't know how to really explain it. You'd have to watch some videos on it, but it's just basically the ingredients, and it tells you, and you have to kind of know what to use with, what to use it with, when to use it, all that good stuff. So I started off with the no-brainer set, and that's what this is. And it is one time, oh, okay, so it's one, okay, natural moisturizing factors and hyaluronic acid. That's the first bottle. The second bottle is Granactive retinoid, 2% emulsion. And then the third bottle is Buffet. So let's go ahead and open it and see. I'm excited about trying this brand. I've watched quite a few videos on it, and that's what it looks like when you open it. I think I've learned pretty much what order I'm going to do this all in, and, you know, we'll see how it works. Now, I've heard the lactic acid is pretty much a dupe for the for the Sunday Riley one. So that's going to be awesome. All right, so here is the natural moisturizing one. I'm sure you guys have all seen this. Also, Ulta is starting to carry these. There is the Buffet one. And then there is the retinoid one. Okay. Excited about this. I really am. And these are not expensive at all. So, like, that box right there, I think, was like $25 or something. And it's because there were 3 products in there. And then these are like $6 or $7 a piece. So I did get the lactic acid, 10%, and HA, so hyaluronic, you guys, hyaluronic acid. And then, let's see. Now, I did read and watch that you should get the 5%, but I didn't see the 5%. So I am kind of taking a chance with this. But there's what that looks like. I'm going to see if it has a scent to it. Probably not. Okay. It definitely has a little bit of a scent to it. And they come in these little glass droppers. Let's see what kind of feel that has. This is probably the most exciting one that I am waiting for to try. Because it's like the Good Genes, Sunday Riley Good Genes. Now, it does rub right in. It kind of feels like an oil. It does have a weird scent to it. Like a really weird scent. But it doesn't feel sticky or anything. And it doesn't feel too thick. And it's already in. So, excited for that. Alright, and then the last one I got is the AHA 30%, BHA 2% peeling solution. This looks really funky online because it looks like blood when people put it on their face. But you're only supposed to use this like once a week, if that, because it could be very harsh on your skin if you have sensitive skin. So if you guys are looking into The Ordinary, please do your research, because it definitely is a product that you want to know about. You definitely want to research this. Don't just go putting skincare on your face and then you're going to end up with a breakout or, you know, something that maybe not even fixable. So definitely do your research before you jump onto this train. I'm excited to try it. I can't wait. I will let you guys know my results. I don't know if I'm going to buy any more. We'll see how this goes. It's not a very expensive product, obviously, as I said. So maybe, we'll see. I just want to, you know, obviously I'll continue to do research and see what else, if anything else, that I need to pick up. And I guess I'll do like a update video for you guys and let you know what I thought of the product and if I recommend any of it. I'm not going to recommend it until I do try it. So, but I do recommend this. I will recommend Drunk Elephant, as most people will. It's just that it's super expensive. And if it's not in your budget, then don't do it. I'm sure you guys can find a dupe for this product. I got it because of the VIB sale. And, you know, this was a mini size. I didn't get the big size. So, good way to try it anyway. All right, guys. So that's it. I just wanted to let you know what I had got from my VIB sale. I will be purchasing a couple things from the Ulta sale. Not a whole lot. There are, well, I don't know. I do have probably quite a few written down on my calendar, but I don't know what I'll get. I have to order my stuff from Ulta or drive 45 minutes to get there. So, you know, I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate it so much. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day, you guys. Bye.